YouTube, welcome back to another video. Today we're doing something a little different. Today we're doing actually a guitar tutorial by the song Retrograde, as you see in the title. It's a new song that literally just came out like yesterday. So I just wanted to check in and do like a quick tutorial. And if we have any new viewers from just wanting to learn the guitar, I also do photography, videography. I do vlogs. And stuff like that, and podcasts. So if y'all are interested in any of that besides just guitar tutorials, I'd love for y'all to check my channel, just see some videos, see if you vibe with it, and, if you want to stay, join the fam if you want. But yeah, this song's pretty simple. It's only 4 chords. Again, Retrograde by Khalid, 6, Black, and Lucky Daye. So I'm going to play a little bit of it and then we'll get right into the chords. Yeah, that's the chords. I think also I'm going to just play in the beginning because they play a little bit solo in the beginning, so you can hear the guitar a little bit better. Yep, so that's it. But the song is pretty simple. It consists of 4 chords. I will show you the chords real quick, and then I'll show in depth on how to play them. But the chords are A sharp minor 7, so, and then the next chord is B major 7. The next chord after that is C sharp major, and then the final chord after that is D sharp minor 7. And I'll show you how they play it in the song, which is basically like this. Those are the 4 chords. They're pretty simple chords once you know bar chords. If you know bar chords, you can get the song down pretty easy. But the lesson I'm teaching, hopefully I know bar chords. If not, there's a bunch of YouTube videos about bar chords. Go on YouTube, learn how to go bar chords, and then come back to this video and learn. Because it's just the best and most easiest way to playing it. So once you know bar chords, it'll be a piece of cake. So I'm gonna go in depth right now on the chord shapes and structures, so y'all can just be jamming and playing. So let's get right into that. Okay, you guys, we back. So here is the chord shapes for the chords of the song. So the first chord again is A sharp minor 7. So basically how you play A sharp minor 7 is you bar, so you take your full index finger and you're gonna bar the whole 6th fret, and then you're gonna take your ring finger and put your ring finger right on the A string, which is right there, the 2nd string from the top. So then you get this noise right here. And how I play it, it's kind of like finger picking. I play the bass note, and then I take these 3 fingers and just try to grab the chunk of the chord, which is usually the top 3 strings from disregarding the top note, so something like that, and that's it throughout the song. So it's just a bunch of, so you just do that throughout the song. But again, A sharp minor 7. Next chord is going to be B major 7, and basically B major 7, you're barring the chord down from that. So instead of the 6th fret, you're going to bar the 7th fret. So right on that dot right here, you're going to bar that fret. You're going to do a major 7 shape, which is basically your pinky is going to be on the D string, your ring finger is going to be on the A string, and then your middle finger is going to be on the G string. So then this is a B major 7 chord. So it makes it sound like this. And same with the A sharp minor 7. A lot of chord names. Same as the A sharp minor 7. You're still doing the same, that picking style. So the first two chords kind of go like this. So that's how it's that's kind of the picking pattern. So for the third chord, it is C sharp major. There's different ways of playing it. You can play a major 7, which is basically you're barring the 4th fret from the A string down, and then you're making a major 7 shape, which you're basically putting your middle finger on the G string. You're putting your ring finger on the D string, and then you're putting your pinky on the B string. You can play a major 7, but how the song really goes is they play major, which basically major is you're still barring the 4th fret from the A string down with that index finger. And then you're going to take your middle finger, not your middle finger, your index finger, and actually bar 3 strings. You're barring the D string, the G string, and the B string all together. So basically it's going to be kind of like that. If you can see, it's kind of like that. You bar all those together and same picking pattern, but you're playing the root notes, so you're actually going to pluck the second string instead of the first string, because we're now on the 5th string of the fretboard. So it's still with the 3 fingers, getting the majority of the chord on the second pluck. So okay, so that's the 3 chords. I'm just gonna play it real quick. So it's that's basically it. So now for the last chord, it is D sharp minor 7. So D sharp minor 7, basically you're barring, again, learn bar chords. Once you get bar chords down, the song is light and easy, but you gotta learn bar chords. But basically you're barring the 6th fret from the A string down, and then you're gonna take your middle finger, put your middle finger right on the B string on the 7th fret, and then you're gonna take your index finger and you're gonna bar the D string on the 8th fret. So then it's gonna make this sound, which is the final shape. And yeah, so that's basically the song. Again, I'll play it for real quick. It's just what they like to do in the song too, they add a little bit of hammer-ons. So if you do know hammer-ons, you can always hammer on to that G string when you're playing that D sharp minor 7, and it sounds good. It's just something to add on before you go back to that A sharp minor 7 in the beginning. That's basically it. That is the whole song. Let's go back to how we started the video. But yeah, you guys, that is the whole song. That's Retrograde by Black and Lucky Daye and Khalid. It's a great song. Again, it just came out, so it just came out yesterday. So I've been listening to it since yesterday. So I just want to, do a quick guitar tutorial check-in with y'all. But hope y'all have a blessed day, great day. Have fun. Learn this song. If y'all do, figure out the song, let me know in the comments. Make sure, give me some validation that, I'm teaching these courses right. But yeah, that's basically it. Again, thank y'all for watching. Again, I don't just do guitar tutorials. I do videos, photography, vlogs, and podcasts. So if y'all interested in any of that, I love y'all for just to check my YouTube channel and subscribe if you feel inclined to. You feel me? But yeah, appreciate y'all. This Nate Originals again. And yeah, I hope y'all have a blessed day. So peace out. See y'all in the next video.